pretty much done. If I don't use kale, I'll use Napa cabbage instead.
Napa?
Napa. A favorite of mine is baby bok choy.
Okay.
I've used that as well.
So all kinds of greens you can use.
I put at least
Nothing.
one leafy green in my soup.
Okay.
I can put a lot of vegetables, but I have to have some type of leafy green. Any type of cabbage will do it. I put Swiss chard here before, and it's just as good. Kale seems to be one of my favorites, though. It's done. It's going to go at the very, very end. In fact, I'm going to shut it off and throw this.
Okay, so at the very end, after it's been cooked, you're going to throw that in there.
Yes.
And just let the pot simmer.
So this is leftover for juicing. You want to make your kale juice?
I've heard of putting kale in like a smoothie before.
It wouldn't be a smoothie. What I'm thinking of is
But you're-
watermelon and kale.
Like in a juicer.
So it's not thick like a smoothie.
Yeah.
It's an actual juice.
Okay.
That's my broccoli. That's going to go. You can come with that.
You're going to use all that?
I am.
All that cauliflower?
I am.
Oh, you said that was broccoli. Cauliflower.
No.
Cauliflower?
Is it broccoli?
That's-
No, I said I did buy broccoli
Oh,
this
okay.
time.
So you're going to use all that cauliflower in there.
I am.
Okay.
Only because I like it that much.
What else are you going to put in here?
Cilantro. Which is in here.
I saw some red bell peppers in there. Are you going to use those too?
No, that's for a taco salad.
Oh, okay. You got lots more stuff up here for a salad for later on, not for the soup.
Yeah. This is your mom's cilantro. She won't want to take it.
No. So do you like put cilantro in all your soups?
I do, because it's my favorite herb. But again, it depends who I make it for. Some people don't care for cilantro. You either love it or hate it. Oh, I love the smell. Now this one has really thick stalks, which I normally put in the soup anyway,
Uh-huh.
but not this big. I'm not going to use something
That's too big, huh?
that's way too big.
So you
I
just
think it's just this.
rip that stuff off, huh?
But I'll use some of this, of the stalk of the cilantro.
Okay.
This one didn't make it. Yeah, this is way too big.
So I guess there's a few do's and don'ts to making your soup, but
I've been making mine for years the same way, but I'm always willing to try something new. Like quinoa was new to me at one time, so I gave it a shot and I loved it.
yeah. If you put those stalks in there, the stalk doesn't taste very good?
Oh, it's
Or-
very flavorful.
Well, how come you're deciding not to put the stalk? Just because,
Yeah, it's too much. Because I'm going to put a lot of cilantro anyway,
yeah.
so I don't need all.
So the cilantro is more for the flavoring, because that's going to kind of shrink down to nothing too, huh?
It will, yeah. So this is a lot of cilantro. Most people don't put this much. But they don't make it.
So this is kind of like the Mexican style
Yes. This one will be. One
Vegetable
I'll make an Asian
soup.
one. With the Asian one, I put Asian vegetables in there, Asian spices. When I make the Italian, I do something different. So all this is going to go in there, and I'm going to put it at the same time as the kale. You have to bunch this in order to cut it.
Oh, bunch it together. Oh, that's the trick, huh?
Watch your fingers.
Hey, you should have a cooking show or something. Looks like you do that pretty good.
Is VideoJoe going to record it? Or do I have to do it?
Well, I could help you with your own channel. How about that?
Ooh. Let's do it.
Ha.
So that's pretty much it. Now I'm just going to wait for the jalapenos to soften up and do my special trick to it.
Okay, so the jalapenos have been in there for 8-9 minutes now, and you said You're going to leave it in there for about 20 minutes?
Yeah, I'm gonna check it to see if it's done.
Okay.
You want to take a peek?
Yeah. Let's take a look at this soup so far. See what you're thinking.
Ooh, that's looking good. I'm gonna trim the vent because sometimes
Okay.
the smell
Okay.
of the jalapeno will get to your ear. But I'm gonna say it's almost there. It's kind of looking like they're softer, but I'm not ready to pull them out yet.
Not ready just yet. That's the secret ingredients to your soup each time is those jalapenos.
I've made soup without the jalapenos and it wasn't the same at all. It missed that kick. It missed that bite.
Okay.
So that's looking good.
All right, so 10 minutes or so, we're going to come back and take a look at these jalapenos, yes?
Yes. And actually what I want to do right after I take out the jalapenos is put, I think I put some of the stuff already. I have the little bag of rice and lentils.
Oh, that's right.
I gotta add that to it.
Yeah, so when do you put that in?
See, I could put it in now, but I don't want to because I want to scoop up the jalapenos and I don't want to scoop this out with it. Granted, it won't be a lot that I'll be taking out, but I'd rather wait.
So how long does that take to cook?
As long as it takes for the rest of the...
Okay, so you're going to throw that in when you throw all this stuff in here, the medium vegetables,
The medium.
the medium hard
sauce.
vegetables.
Well, that's what I call them.
Okay,
So,
all right.
refrigerator.
Well, thanks for showing me how to make this soup. I'm going to get back to you and you're going to finish up, right?
Yes.
Okay, because I want to know how you do those
Come
jalapenos.
back in 20 minutes.
Okay,
I'll clean this up.
see you then. Adios.